Welcome as we journey out in search of some of Mother Nature's precious natural lifestyle secrets. Reading up on nature is good, but it's also so much more rewarding to experience her firsthand. Smelling her fragrance, touching and feeling her out in the wide open, her sounds and movement that books alone can capture. Nature, the earth, the flower, seeds, and herbs hold the key to good health and wellness. They all are the places we come back to for nature and raw ingredients for many medicine. It's the reason why we feel refreshed and relaxed in her surroundings. Thank you, Lord, for another amazing day in one of your last nature guides.